Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. Today we will see how to enable and open the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The on-screen keyboard means you can keep on using your computer even if your physical keyboard isn't working or there is another reason for it. So come to the bottom of your computer and click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Now come over to the left and find the option for accessibility. What you then want to do is come down and find the option for interaction and go press it. Keyboard like so. Then you want to go and find the option on screen keyboard and you can go over to the right and you can switch it on. Then it's going to go and appear. That's it. Click where you want to go and then type. Then you can start typing what you want. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.